Hey everyone, want to check the nutrition and calories of your recipe? Whisk AI makes it simple. Let's get started. First, search for the Whisk AI app in your web browser and then here, click the download to your Play Store and then open the page. And then here in the home page, choose an existing recipe you saved or imported. And once the recipe is open, tap Nutrition Facts. Here you'll see the details like calories, protein, fat, carbs, and health benefits of your recipe. Keep in mind that some features are only available with the Cookpanion Pro. You'll need to subscribe to access the full set of nutrition tools. And that's it. That's how easy it is to track calories and nutritions with Whisk AI, perfect for keeping your meals healthy and balanced. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.